You got to remove this bolt and another one down here. Down here. That's already loosened, so I'll take it out. This one too. Okay, remove the brake line this way. Okay, remove the brake clamp. Yeah, oh, take it out. Okay, there. It's heavy, you gotta tie it somehow, secure it. Remove the drum, the rotor, not drum. There. Still a new rotor. Put the tube bolt back. See. Use the C-clamp to press down the gap clip right here. Put the spring. Go in, go in. Look at this. So this go in. There. There. This fruit line. Okay, this is Duralast Gold. So
thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe for more videos if you haven't already.
Gold.